This is Nature Spring and so much more. After 20 years of being a respected brand, Nature Spring has elevated itself to being the top drinking water consumer product in the Philippines. The keys to the rise of Philippine Spring Water Resources Incorporated, or PSWRI, the maker of the Nature Spring brand, are many, but the foundation of its success can be traced to a genuine passion to help. Back in 1990, Super Typhoon Ruping, or Typhoon Mike by its international name, hit Cebu. Water distribution was greatly affected because of a power outage. The residents were relying instead on unsafe deep wells for their drinking water. As a result, there was an outbreak of waterborne diseases such as cholera, diarrhea, El Tor, and hepatitis A. PSWRI President and CEO Danny Lua himself was not spared, resulting in his body's buildup of kidney stones. The lack of safe drinking water has become a serious need. Mr. Lua therefore committed the next several months in coming up with a viable way to alleviate the growing problem of unsafe drinking water. Necessity and charity drove Mr. Lua to seek the best knowledge and production process to produce the safest yet affordable drinking water for the Cebuanos and eventually every Filipino. A transfer of technology from U.S. experts were made possible through the efforts of Mr. Lua and his assembled team. Thus was born the first 100% Filipino-owned, state-of-the-art drinking water production facility in the Philippines. The vision of the Philippine Spring Water Resources Incorporated did not stop in Cebu. They decided to share this technology and product to Luzon, Mindanao, and the rest of Visayas. To date, there are two major production facilities in Luzon, namely Bulacan and Laguna, and two in Mindanao, right at the heart of Cagayan de Oro and Davao. Aside from gearing up in terms of distribution, Nature Spring also diversified its product lines to serve and satisfy as many loyal and new customers as possible. PSWRI has expanded the product line to include more than just retail consumer bottled water. This diversification is part of the company's tireless pursuit towards product innovation. After all, the company believes that to stay number one, it needs to always evolve and grow as the market expands. Over the years, Nature Spring is known not only for its standard bottled drinking water, but also its 5-gallon bottles, specialized packaging services, and even high-end distilled bottled products. Nature Spring drinking water is purified and processed through the latest state-of-the-art technique that includes carbon filtration, water softening, reverse osmosis, microfiltration, and ozonation. This strictly adhered purification process guarantees the quality and potability of all Nature Spring purified drinking water products. It comes in 7 different non-returnable bottles, namely 350 ml, 500 ml, 1 liter, 1.5 liters, 4 liters, 6 liters, and 10 liters. Nature Spring distilled drinking water also processed through the use of the most updated state-of-the-art technique in water purification. This includes carbon filtration, purification, water softening, reverse osmosis, This time, however, the product also goes through distillation, hyperfiltration, and ozonation to ensure its purity. Nature Spring distilled drinking water comes also in the same 7 different non-returnable bottles. Bubble Bottle is a purified water that is processed through the same state-of-the-art technology involving carbon filtration, water softening, reverse osmosis, microfiltration, and ozonation. These well-monitored processes guarantee the Bubble Bottle's quality and potability. It is packed in the new 300 PET disposable bottle. NS5G is a purified water and processed through the same state-of-the-art technique that utilizes carbon filtration, water softening, reverse osmosis, microfiltration, and ozonation. Again, these stringent purification methods guarantee its quality and potability. The NS5G is packed in a 5-gallon PET refillable bottle. Crystal Tube Ice is a hollow and crystal ice made of purified drinking water. It is sold by 3 kilos per pack and ideal for home and corporate use and on special occasions such as parties and outdoor events. Byproducts is a premium distilled drinking water bottled for high-end consumers. It is packed in a 500 ml PET bottle. Nature Spring recognizes the market's need for specialized packaging. It therefore came up with its customized and toll packing services. Customized packing is special packaging using Nature Spring bottle and label with customer's logo or brand name, while toll packing is special packaging using generic bottle with customer's own name or brand. Nature Spring introduces its newest and powerful drinking water product yet, the Nature Spring pH 9.0 Alkaline Processed Drinking Water. Alkalinity in your drinking water, as opposed to acidity, is a healthier option. Alkaline water has no acid content, as it has a pH rating higher than 7. In fact, alkaline water is known for its clinical uses in hospital treatment, resulting in healthier cells, reduced blood sugar, rapid healing of various types of diseases, including ulcer, hepatitis, and even cancer. Now, this healthier type of drinking water is made available through Nature Spring's pH 9.0 Alkaline Processed Drinking Water, using the advanced water technology from Japan and Korea called the Alkaline Ionized Mineral Water Technology System. This new Nature Springs product increases the healing ability of water and the body's primordial need for a clean and healthy drink. PSWRI is dedicated as well to community involvement and respect for long-held traditions. In fact, the company holds the distinction of being the only halal-certified bottled drinking water product in Mindanao. The company has directly received this certificate of accreditation from no less than the Office of Muslim Affairs. Philippine Spring Water Resources Incorporated, or PSWRI's goal 20 years ago was clear: serve the public by giving them safe, affordable drinking water. That goal remains the same until today. Come highs and lows of the Philippine economy and other external threats and internal challenges, the brand Nature Spring is here to stay, and it will stay strong. While PSWRI recognizes that water is a truly valuable resource on the planet, it also recognizes that the company's human resources are its most valuable asset. Over the years, everyone in PSWRI have worked relentlessly towards reaching the company's goal and objectives. From the sales force to the administration and office staff to management, PSWRI has become more than a company that operates. It has become a family that serves. In the next 20 years and more, Nature Spring is determined to rise above every challenge. Go up several more levels and stay on top. This is the commitment of every employee at the Philippine Spring Water Resources Incorporated. Starting today and for the next 20 years and beyond, this is the Nature Springs battle cry. Let's hydrate the body and nourish the soul. Let's gear up. Let's water up.